My name is Ariel Pei. I am the board chair for the Greater Lakewood Chamber of Commerce. And we are here today for the grand opening of Burlington Coat Factory.
I'm Regina Palmer, the Regional Vice President of Burlington Stores, and we're opening our new store in Lakewood today. And we're just so excited to be a part of the Lakewood community. We're going to have at least 75 new jobs opening in the store, and we're going to bring great affordable prices to the community.
Extremely proud to be out here, part of the community, to be able to be a contributor to Lakewood as well. I want to thank everyone for being out here as well to be a part of this awesome grand opening.
We've been watching you as you've been progressing in construction, and we think it's a great addition to our mall and the offerings to our community. And I want to welcome you and wish you the best of success.
Please come down, check out our store. We're waiting for all of you. We're going to treat you really great. We love our new customers, and we're so happy to be a part of the Lakewood community.
Go, go!